Small nation, big ideas. Welsh science tackling climate change.
So as you can see, we're on a dairy farm, and these guys behind us often get a really bad press when it comes to climate change, and that's because they emit methane from the rumen. But we're looking at a different greenhouse gas, one that's released from soils, not from the rumen. And this greenhouse gas is called nitrous oxide, which you may have heard of before as laughing gas. This gas is 300 times more powerful than carbon dioxide for its global warming potential. So our government and many other governments around the world are committing to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions very substantially. So the livestock sector needs to play its part in becoming more sustainable as well, so that we can meet these targets. One challenge we have as researchers studying nitrous oxide is how variable it is, both in space and in time. And we're going to look at this variability in our experiments. So we're at a gateway here, and this is an area where livestock like to congregate normally before they're taken off the pasture to be milked. And this results in some really compact soil. We've got evidence of excreta being deposited and also a lack of vegetation. And these things can all combine to cause really high nitrous oxide emissions. So we're going to assess the magnitude of these emissions in these areas. And these are called greenhouse gas chambers, and once they're closed they cover the area of soil, and any greenhouse gases that are being emitted gets trapped inside and the concentration builds up. And we measure this concentration by pumping the sample through the sample line into an analyzer that is directly on site. So we've got some chambers installed near the gateway, and we've got some installed further afield, and we're looking at the differences in emission magnitude between these two areas. We're also testing out some mitigation strategies. So yeah, it's great to be here today working with local dairy farmers on ways to tackle climate change. Diolch am gwrando, thanks for listening.